sure you can remember it, but we want to explain some more about it to better understanding about share method.
So I will leave the time for Iris.
Thank you, Shi. Okay, share method. Share method we call it as cylindrical share method as well. This is because we're using similar equation of volume of cylinder. The cylinder is here, and to find the volume, we need R and H here.
So volume will be pi r square h, and when we differentiate the volume, we get 2 pi r h, which means by integrating 2 pi r h, we get back the volume again. Let's put them on the graph now. Volume of the functions with a limit on the graph can be obtained by integrating the functions.
So volume equals to integration of 2 pi radius and height and dx. What will be the radius and height will be calculated, and we put it as Rx and function x. Let's say y equals to x, which is very easier to explain. To find volume revolved about y-axis, we put everything in here as x. And when we revolve into x-axis, it's gonna be y for every radius and height and dy. Let's revolve about y-axis. And the line, the limit. Actually, this one is very easy to find using this method or washer method. But when we do other complicated equation, it is much better to use this share method to find out the volume. Y equals x to the power of 4 plus x to the power of cube. This is easy when you revolve about y-axis as in terms of x. How about when we revolve it about x-axis? You have to change this form in terms of y. It will be not easy, and we have to do a lot of work for it. Instead, you can put this into share method. Let's talk about the limit now. A to B. This will be the Legendre bounded. So whenever it is like x-axis, x values here, then it's from on the x-axis, and whenever it is y, it's from the y-axis. And remember that even if it's the line, we are revolving the line x equals to 3, the limit is not from 3 to 0. It is from 2 to 0 because we are not revolving this whole part, right? But we're revolving only 2 to 0, 0 to 2. So the limit will remain the same as 2 to 0. To sum up, you have to sketch the graph to better understand about the equation and how it looks like. And then find the radius Rx and the function Fx to make an equation of volume. And then find the limit where it is like on the x-axis or y-axis. Now we have one simple but a bit complicated question which we'll be doing my friend Ishi, and she'll explain about it.
Hi guys, you guys see me again. Now I'm going to give you an example, a question, so that you all can have a look and try on another shell method question. Okay. First condition is y equals to x cubed. The next one is x equals to 2. The graph, the first thing that you need to do is to draw the graph. Y equals to x cubed is something which looks like this. X equals to 2 is somewhere here. When x is equals to 2, what is this point? You just substitute into this equation. 2 power of 3, you get 8. And the third condition is y equals to 0. So this is the region bounded by these three conditions. Now, first question. Let's revolve about x equals to 3. The first thing we need to do is to find the radius. Okay. Radius is basically from the line that you're going to revolve to the function. In this case, the radius is here. This small part. Then the height is here. Rx is 3 minus x. Why radius is 3 minus x is because now we need only this small part. This big part is 3. This part is x. Because they all depends on the value of x. In this point, any point as well. And for the function, it's going to be x cubed. So we have the radius, we have the function. Now we can do our integration. Volume is equals to 2 pi integrate 3 minus x cubed dx. What about the limit? The limit is from the region, the bounded region. In this case, it's from 0 to 2. Expand this, you'll get something like this. You can directly do integration since this function is very simple. Integration, power of x plus 1 over the new power, which is 3x4 over 4 minus x5 over 5. Now you just need to sub the value into here and to find the answer. You'll get something like this. 48 over 4 minus 32 over 5. When you substitute 0 into this 2, you'll get 0 for both. So you'll end up with, you get 28 over 5. Then you get 56 over 5 units cubed. This should be your final answer. Yeah, we're done. We're done. Now I'm going to show you revolving about the line y equals to -1. Let's just revolve this region about the line y equals to -1. First thing we need to do is to ensure that which terms are they in, Rx or Ry. For here, this y equals to 1, -1 is actually the horizontal line. So it is same as you revolve the region about the x-axis. So everything should be in terms of y now. Ry, Fy, and dy. Now let's find our radius, Ry. The radius should be from the line that you're going to revolve to the function. Since everything should be in terms of y, you should make this equation in terms of y as well. So, when y equals to x cubed, x should be equals to cube root y. So, Ry is basically this height, which is, this one is y now, value of y now, minus the below part, which is y minus -1. The line is -1 here. You will get y plus 1 for your radius. And for the function is cube root y. Yeah. We have radius, we have function. Again, we can do our integration. Now, the limit won't change because the region is still the same. But something is going to change. Previously, you are using the limit on the x-axis, but now we are going to do on the y-axis, so our limit is 0 to 8 now. I'm not going to do this for you, but you can try on your own. You expand this by then followed by integration. Then you substitute your values of limits into what you have integrated. And don't forget there is 2 pi. So don't miss this later. So you can get your answer in this easy way. That's all.